Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this suntan removal face scrub home remedy. This home remedy is highly effective in skin lightening, whitening and brightening, as it contains all the natural ingredients which helps in removing the suntan, dark spots, pigmentation as well as the uneven skin tone from your skin, and will just makes your skin really lighter, brighter and tighter. It's also an anti-aging face scrub which just helps in removing the wrinkles, fine lines and sagging skin from your skin, and will make your skin tighter, brighter and lighter. So now firstly, let's see what are the ingredients we need to prepare this home remedy. So the first ingredient which we need is coffee, and here I'm using the Nescafe coffee pouch, but you can use any other brand coffee which you have or which you really like. After that, we are gonna need gram flour, or it's also known as besan. Then we are gonna need honey. After that, we'll need sugar, and the last ingredient which we need is half tomato. So now let's prepare this suntan removal scrub, and to prepare this scrub we firstly have to take 1 teaspoon of coffee in a clean bowl. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of gram flour into it. After that, we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar into it. And after adding the sugar, we'll add 2 teaspoons of honey into it. And I'm firstly adding 1 teaspoon of honey and then mixing all these ingredients. And now after that, I'll add 1 more teaspoon of honey into it, and then again mix all the ingredients really well so that it makes into a smooth paste. And after mixing all these ingredients, your homemade coffee scrub is ready, and it will look something like this. So there are 2 ways to use this coffee scrub. Either you can just squeeze the tomato juice into it and mix it further to make a smooth consistency paste, but I'm using it another way. I'm just taking this coffee scrub onto this tomato piece and then gently rubbing it onto my skin to remove all the suntan, dead skin and impurities from my skin. And you should scrub your skin for around 1 or 2 minutes to gently remove all the suntan from your skin. And after scrubbing it for 1 or 2 minutes, just gently rinse it off using normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. This homemade suntan removal face scrub is highly effective in removing suntan, dark spots and pigmentation from your skin, as it contains all the natural ingredients which works really well in removing suntan, dark spots, acne scars as well as pimple scars from your skin, and will just makes your skin really brighter, lighter and tighter. Coffee and gram flour are the main ingredients for the suntan removal as well as for skin lightening and whitening. Honey helps to moisturize your skin deeply. Sugar exfoliates your skin really well and helps to remove the dead skin layer from your skin. And tomato has skin bleaching properties into it as well as the anti-aging properties into it. And it makes your skin really tighter, brighter and lighter. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.